Welcome to this lesson of evaluation module. I'm Rosa Isusi Fagoaga and I'm going to introduce the relevance of competencies evaluation and the use of rubrics at hackathons. In the first section, you will introduce in evaluating competencies using rubrics. And in the second section, you will introduce in rubrics used at hackathons for the evaluation process and the evaluation of the results. Let's start with the consideration of the hackathons evaluating competencies. The relevant competencies building digital skills is important to keep up with the fast-changing environment. Why? Digital skills can help foster entrepreneurship, build competitiveness, solve issues for the 21st century societies, and entrepreneurship skills are widely viewed as another critical factor for the new economy. Why? Entrepreneurship is associated with risk-taking, solving consumer or societal problems, and creative solutions. Hackathons contribute to one informal learning platform that can serve the development of both digital and entrepreneurial skills in the hackathon. Hackathons are intensive, competitive events during which team activity is focused on solving a specific problem or creating a viable business idea or business model. Other competencies promoted by hackathons are troubleshooting, critical thinking, teamwork, collaboration, negotiation, communication, time management, and project management. Rubrics is defined as a set of criteria and standards generally related to learning objectives, which are used to evaluate a level of performance of a task or behavior. It can be used as training tool based on their potential to help students develop a vision of success, provide ongoing feedback on progress and what matters ranked from excellent to poor. It is usually presented as potential assessment tool based on a matrix of learning outcome along a continuum on the horizontal axis with the elements or the criteria for evaluating learning outcomes shown on the vertical axis. You have here an example of a rubric for maths. You have 4 levels, 1 not meeting standard, 2 progressing, and 3 proficient, and 4 exceeding standard. And in the vertical, the criteria problem solving with addition and subtraction, and add subtract within 20. Now let's continue with the rubric used at hackathons. Evaluation of the process for a teams, you have values 1, 2, or 3, and criteria maximum, intermediate, and minimum. And the criteria you have role distribution, time distribution, objectives reached, collaborative work, discussion and participation, level of responsibility, launch and initiative, level of autonomy, and source of information. This is an example of a rubric for evaluation of the results. The indicators are complete and proper performance, performance with observations, non-realized or with few hits. And the criteria are communication, critical thinking, initiative and creativity, analytical thinking, resolution of problems and conflicts, social interaction, collaborative work, responsible citizenship, art appreciation, self-care, self-learning, and self-development. Thanks for your attention.